All right, here we go with the third project called the menu project. This is the downloadable version. I tweaked it just a little bit, but some of the things that you can do, if I press play, here's the menu project. What do we have? The yellow strip. That's a menu strip. So now I can navigate. I have a save. Are you kidding me? I have no idea how to do this. So a message box. I have exit underneath a little gray strip. So how do you put that little gray strip between save and exit? I have an exit with an OK and a cancel. So now it doesn't directly quit. I hit cancel, I'm still in the program. If I hit OK, then the program ends. I could do it that way, or I can also quit here. So there are two ways to quit the program now, and it's an OK or a cancel. So you always want to make sure you ask them if you want to make sure to quit. So that'll be introduced. That's your first example of decision structure. The computer will make a decision based off of your input. Edit. Colors. So here's a menu strip. I have four choices: black, blue, red, green. And notice blue has a check mark because obviously it's blue already by default. I have a text box, a shape, a square shape, and a circle shape, and my button. They're all blue. So colors, I'll go to black. They all turn to black. And lo and behold, black has a check mark. Blue does not have a check mark. Red, green. Your help, here is your about. So if I click help, there is the about, that your very first project, and there is my about. I made it opaque, a little opaque, press OK, and I move on. I hit exit, sure you want to quit. And there you see over here on the side, there's form about and form menu. So I have two forms now listed here. This yellow menu strip, it's even called menu strip 1. And each object, if you notice, each one of these menu items is an actual object. This one apparently is called black tool strip menu item 1. Blue is called blue tool strip menu item 1. Actually, Visual Basic names that for me. You see all the objects here. The only ones that I've named are TXT for text menu test, FRM menu for menu, and CMD exit. Everything else the computer named, and I don't have to change anything. So how do we make this? Well, let's go ahead and start a new project. New project. Let's call this menu, for me, 2016-17. Rename the form frm menu.vb. I always take care of that immediately. I'll click save. Yep, menu, it saves. Make it a little bit bigger. Take care of some simple things. Obviously, form 1, let's change the text to menu. Startup position, center screen, and maximize and minimize gone. Save. So what do we need? You know that you need a button to exit, so I'll put a button. The shapes, where are those shapes? Well, you have to scroll near the bottom of your toolbox, and if it's closed, it's called Visual Basic Power Packs. If you click the little arrow, then there it is. Oval shape allows you to make an oval. Rectangle shape. And there are some properties that you can experiment with. There's back style. You're going to have a lot of fun with back style. Border color, border style, border width if you want the line to be a little bit long, a little bit thicker. You can change the color inside. So we will experiment with those later, but that's where you get those shapes. And shapes, I will teach you SHP. I'll call this circle. And over here, obviously, SHP rectangle. I'll save. And the big one, the menu strip. Where the heck is a menu strip? Scroll down, scroll down. Aha, it's right here. Third menu strip. So kind of halfway in the middle. You click, and I don't even have to drag. I just click again, and it just gets put there. Look how easy that is. Top. So what do you want on the top left of your menu? Well, I called it File, and beneath it, we had Save and Exit. And yes, these are already here to guide me, but I can click off. I'll click Save, and notice File, Save, Exit right underneath there. They're not coded at all. All three of those, File, Save, and Exit, those are menu items. Look at File, Tool, Strip, Menu Item. I can actually code this F-I-L-E word. Save, I can code it. I can change some of the properties, colors, fonts. Exit, I can change some of the fonts of the actual word. I actually want to put that strip between the two of them. So I right-click, insert a separator. Oops, I put it in the wrong spot. Undo, click exit, insert, separator, and there you go. There's a separator between save and exit. Just looks more professional. File, save, exit. Now if we look at the other example, we had edit and help. Edit colors and help about. So that's pretty standard for all of us. I'll put edit and help. So let's go over here. Let's type in the next menu, edit, help. Underneath help, we will type about. Underneath edit, we had colors. And the handout in my demo basically cover two colors to begin with. Black and blue. And I don't worry about naming these objects. And now you have save, exit with a separator, edit, colors, a submenu, black and blue, help about. That should get you going to begin this project. Obviously, there's a lot to talk about. Good luck getting started.